everyone, thanks for joining us today in our latest episode. You probably have noticed that CBD is everywhere. When I am driving to work, I see it on billboards. When I'm in the grocery store, I see it in shampoo, in conditioner. It is in literally everything these days. This trend can be seen across the country, whether you live in a major metropolis, in the suburbs, or in a small town. This is a case of supply meets serious demand. Although the reasons for using CBD vary, many respondents are curious about what CBD can do for them. 1 in 7 have tried CBD. This is amazing news, especially considering that CBD on the federal level has only been legal for 2 years, thanks to the 2018 Farm Bill. But despite these numbers and its increasing trend, we still come across some misconceptions about CBD and whether or not it's safe. We are here to set the record straight. First, what is CBD and where does it come from? CBD stands for cannabidiol. Cannabidiol is one of many chemical compounds, or cannabinoids, found in the cannabis plant. This complex molecule is made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, and these can be found in both the industrial hemp and marijuana plants. Which brings us to the next question. What is the difference between industrial hemp and marijuana? Both come from the cannabis plant family. The primary difference are the components and the amounts of CBD and THC. Industrial hemp naturally has higher amounts of CBD and lower amounts of THC. The marijuana plant naturally has higher amounts of THC and lower amounts of CBD. The major distinction between these two plant varieties concerns the amounts of THC. THC is the intoxicating component which creates the high or euphoria. Hemp naturally has such a low amount of THC and high amount of CBD, which is isolated through a proprietary extraction method. This is where we come in. Nature's Ultra CBD contains 0.0% THC, and we have third-party testing to prove it. But many people are still worried about trying CBD, and that's completely understandable. Trying anything new can be a bit scary and cause a level of stress and anxiety. There is a misconception that using CBD is the same as smoking marijuana, and this is where a lot of worry comes in when people are considering using CBD. At Nature's Ultra, we're making it our mission to educate and empower our customers in regards to using CBD and being able to talk to others about it. In order to demonstrate that our CBD is safe and free of THC, we publish our third-party tested results. This will give you peace of mind to be able to enjoy our products and share them. We would now like to answer some of your questions. The first is regarding CBD and employment. We do recommend that you speak with your employer regarding CBD and your drug and alcohol policy. Our next question is in regards to product safety. We do recommend that you read the label carefully on each bottle of CBD. We recommend that our product is used for external use only. We have had many questions on new product offerings. We really appreciate all of these suggestions. Please keep sending them in to us. We hope you feel more empowered to incorporate CBD products into your daily routine. If you are already using Nature's Ultra CBD, we welcome you to leave your comments in the section below. As always, feel free to ask questions. We really want to keep this conversation going. We are proud to be a part of Young Living, and we see a never-ending potential with CBD, and we intend to stick around.